Hi everyone, I am Lindsay Northcutt and this is my About Me website. This website is created to be aesthetically pleasing as well as functional and responsive. Here are the wireframes that display my original approved design. As we continue through this demonstration, you'll notice there are some changes, especially in the navigation area of this design. I noticed as I was creating the website that in theory, the way this is laid out seems great, but in practice, it just wasn't the best design. So after discussion with the client, we agreed upon a few variations and changes, and we will walk through those changes during the live demo. Here's the color palette that I chose. I only used 2 colors from this palette in my website. I really like the center color, that plum color. I used that as the main color in the graphics. To the left there, I used that punchy orange. I lowered the opacity on the orange just to kind of calm that color combination down a little bit. And it's still fun and playful, but just not quite so bright and in your face. Here are the icons where I pull in those colors that we just discussed. On the left is the French Bulldog that I created for this website. He is the full plum color that I love so much, and behind him is a triangle where I use that really bright punchy orange but just lowered the opacity. And to the right there is my favicon. I use the font from the website and bring in that design element to really tie it all together. Here are the mock-ups. You may notice from the wireframe that originally that graphic was going to be to the left of the header, but since the French Bulldog is looking kind of toward his right, it just made more sense that he is looking in toward the website. So we went ahead and switched that around. Here we have the live website. Looks very similar to the mock-up. We have home, childhood, look at my parents and look at how good I look. Then the careers, hobbies, family, future. What you just saw was the full screen kind of desktop view. Here we have the tablet view. The navigation was moved to the left, and instead of having it kind of all the way drawn out across the top, I just condensed it into a drop-down menu to the left, which was originally designed to be in the center, but it just made more sense to move it to the left, so it covered less content as it dropped down. So here you can see the drop-down. Don't need to go back through the pages. Here is the phone view, very similar to the tablet, but without the French Bulldog icon. It would just be a little bit too crowded and without the header above my content. Here is what my website looks like if you print it. I shrunk down the image as well as got rid of most of the design elements and positioning of the different elements. So just really simplifies it and makes it nice and easy for someone who'd like to print it. Thank you so much, and that is all.